What way is it still moving? South east? Yeah. What? Northeast. So, how far south from here?
It's going in.
When you'll get more than right, you might as well jump in the pond.
Fine. I'm about to jump in the shower anyway.
Not fully closed.
Ooh!
Okay, who's on front?
Yeah! Yeah, James, alright.
Yeah,
My
I'll do
back's
video.
not going on my phone, so there's no point me
Yeah,
filming.
well, look at the BB's cameras.
I'll do video. Halfway through the course.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, a bit of hail now. I think it was this road. James was with us. Yeah, we parked here. Yeah, actually, your first suit itself.
It is.
The HP monster, but. My mind was his.
you missed it, yeah.
Get me one, please.
Oh, that's
Oh.
been better.
Right, I'm gonna have to change.
By the way, the pizza.
Holy shit. The location's alright. It's actually blown out. That's the danger. Massive difference in the exposure. Look at that. That was like with lightning, and that was with that one.
How many did they get on that then? See that?
Wow.
No, it's increased significantly. 48 knots, that's the cold front.
Whoa!
That's going to be loud. Here it comes. There we go. Listen for the boom. Here comes the boom. No, wait. No, it goes around the menu. No, wait, ball. No, wait. Stop playing ball.
Is the wind blowing it away?
The wind must blow the other way.
Because it's blowing this way, is it not? Whoa.
Safe to say, that's
Yeah. Hail the hell! Oh.
For birds. Oh, that drops.
Oh, who did that?
Driver. I told you it's going to be cold.
Oh, it's freezing.
Half a mile down the road.
Train in front of a supercell.
John, there's a bridge! John, can't! Hit it anyway. You won't hit it anyway. What fuck is it?
Oh,
That's to be my third.
that is the longest fucking train ever though.
That's not as long as some of them. That's actually quite short, isn't it? Oh.
They must take ages to get anywhere. Look at the slow it's fucking going.
Yeah.
It's taken us 3 days to get up here.
Probably the one that we saw in Dallas.
Oh.
the tent. Is it? It's an acres of gym. That's John. He's on the tracks.
When I lived in Norway, and they used to wake up at 3 in the morning and get all night.
I hated that.
Picks up to stuff, you know, from it.
That jump to
The end of the train.
it's up there. Get about 10 trains through an hour, 25 minutes. Hotel's right next to lunch. 2 o'clock you go.
If you realise it,
Everybody throw your pants in the air. Go on, give us some welly. Go on.
trying to take the mud up in the don't you? 59. Fucking hell, it's tightening up, is it over there?
It is, yeah.
Oh, let's have a look. Ha ha, very funny.
It's tightening up now, isn't it? That's tightening up very nicely. Bloody hell.
Oh, that's looking. No?
Where? Do I do the window?
No, it's fine.
Alright. Look at that. There's no winter.
You can see up. Put it up. Look at that.
Yeah. Look at the temperature as well, 52 degrees.
Looks like snow.
Yeah. Turn over. Don't blame you. We're still got out, still taking some big ones.
Put your glasses on. Put your sunglasses on. Jesus Christ.
Feel all right? Yeah. Take it. Enjoy a little moment. It's not bad, is it? Man, he's big.
I've been waiting for this.
Yeah.
I have been waiting.
I think we'll get some whole one. I just want to see how big they are. Really, can't see how big they are, really. We're out.
We made it.
Come into the open window.
Close the sun.
Never know. Smash. Can't see to the right.
Where? Oh, yeah. It's like a blooming disco out there. Oh, it's stopped now.
Oh,
I've just
no,
got
it
my
isn't.
phone out.
No, it isn't. This is warming up.
It's warming up, you reckon?
Yes. Oh.
Oh, nice CNG. So currently under a tornado watch here in Garden City. There's a tornado to the southeast of us, going towards Dodge City, probably about 20-ish miles away. But we've now cranked up the lightning factor outside. Oh, it's proper getting cranked, man.
You just missed that.
Yeah, it's alright, it's recorded there. Oh, what's going on there? They've got a tornado on the ground. What's that yellow thing?
Oh, that's just Dodge City.
Yeah, but what is the yellow thing? Is that actually a funnel on the ground? A tornado on the
No,
ground?
that's the direction of the
Okay.
red, the green, the directions of the wind speed. It's when you've got a small part, like it's arrowing now. When one goes into the other. You see that little hook there?
Yeah.
That's when you get a tornado. When you've got a little bit of you've got some green going into red.
You missed that.
Thunderstorm warning continues until 1:45 for southeastern Hodgman, central.
What was your storm chasing trip like? It was like being in the car wash.
No wonder.
Oh.
Oh my god. They've actually flooded in.
You heard Aaron there, this is the town that you're allowed to get free houses in.
Oh yeah.
Plots of land.
Okay, why are you looking?
Okay, well, if the locals are looking, there's probably something to see.
Whoa!
We're going to get down into the west, but I'm hoping to stop pretty soon if we can get a nice view to the west. Look at some of these lightning bolts.
Oh, wait a minute.
that, it'll
Yeah.
bounce and it bounce off your head.
That's all right.
But on the positive side,
Yeah.
right, it'll your cigarette will go down quicker.
Yeah. Cool. Nothing to worry about then.
No.
Nah.
Oh my goodness, it's
What?
it's just mozzies.
What?
Not about that big. Big enough to just come and get you. Pick you up, carry you away.
Someone give me a sign.
Yes.
Missed that.
Come on.
It's your tornado.
Tornado.
Yeah, oops. I left it.
Potato! I'm trying to take a picture at the same time. It's going to be a bit tricky.
Yeah. Yeah, pretty much.
Oh.
It's extending up, yeah.
Yeah.
Come on.
Look at that rotation.
That's going crazy. Come on.
Can you see alright? Do you want to? I'll be back a bit.
That's okay then.
You're a beauty.
I've never seen that before.
And it's
that
really
rotation.
lovely,
It's
picturesque scenery.
photogenic, that is, yeah.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Come on, have another go.
video with lightning in it as well, just around
Lovely.
it.
Oh, look, is it turning into a big... You see.
Yeah, she's been trying to warn. Oh, lovely rotation.
Yep.
Well, it's not as if we can't fucking see it.
There's another funnel, isn't there?
Where?
Yes.
Top left.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's the area to watch.
John,
guys.
which NetWeather are we? 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5?
What?
Your Aaron's one, that's for... Aaron's 4.
Who's going to toss for it quickly? So I've got some really good pictures on my phone on the top.
I don't know off the top of my head. What should it be, guys? What should
Don't know.
For which number?
4, yeah. So
Net WX, Net Net 04.
Net
Yeah.
WX.
Net WX, Net
Net.
04.
Net WX Net 04.
Oh God, big
Ooh.
hail. Oh, big
Good
ish.
is that, isn't it?
That was pretty big.
I wouldn't want to be out. Yeah, John's going to get
John, you're gonna get like knocked
it. He'll be
out.
fine. Okay, this
There he
could-
is, he's
here
doing
we
it, he's
go,
doing
here
it.
we go again, yeah.
I've never seen anything like this before. You guys
Get
see
that?
it? Okay.
Net WX Net 04.
I'm going to risk it.
Got it.
It's getting bigger, that hail.
Nick, I'm going to crouch down in front of the car, if that's alright.
Yeah, it should be alright because you won't block the stream because if
Yeah,
you're
I just don't want.
Oh my God!
Ian Carruth has just posted a screen grab from the stream with the fucking funnel count coming down and me in it. And it just go on, lads.
Whoa! This hail. What size is this? Ping pong balls, nearly.
Oh, and this is marble.
Marble.
There's been 1 inch hail reported on it, but it's not too bad. We drove through worse.
Yeah, we did drive.
Come on. Look at that rotation.
it wasn't hailing, I'd stand outside.
Come on, you bitch.
Don't talk to her like that. She's a beauty. She's just like a beauty.
Ooh. Oh no, he dropped his phone.
This is still going, guys. This is still going.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a big tornado this drops, guys. Very big.
Yeah.
How's this hail?
I see it bouncing off the ground there. Look.
Yeah.
I'm watching it in that
There.
pool down
The
there.
hellish rotation is really strong. Look above it. It's a very nice V-shaped bowl there. If that comes down, it's going to be a big tornado.
Only concern is just it's going to be into a back rain over there.
The last one was massive. Oh! It's the antenna.
It's got a nice funnel over there. Nice chunky one.
It's actually down.
No, but it looks nice to jump up there.
Got it.
Come on.
Anywhere around here, next half mile, start to get a good decent view, so we can see it now.
Yeah.
Here, Tom, all right. There to here, pull off the road.
What did they say?
Think they were going to die.
No, it says like you guys.
Green up there.
You meant the ladies, really?
God, look at it moving. huge tornado, guys. Is that a satellite one coming next to it?
Big tornado.
I don't like this bridge, it's very movement-esque. Oh god. Where are we? Canada? We're in Canada. Is this Canadian River are we on?
Yes.
We're on the Canadian River. Texas. And we've got a huge thing in front of us.
What's going on with the clouds in front?
Clouds in front? What clouds in front? I think they're just drawing into it, aren't they? These guys up here? Oh, I think I'll be more worried about that.
Yeah.
It's a shame we can't see the bottom of it, isn't it? But hey, we're on a bridge.
To be honest, we can.
We're on a bridge.
Pretty much can.
This bridge is moving. Oh, it's going that way, isn't it? I think. It hasn't really moved. I think it's going away from us though, because it. I don't think it's coming this way. Look at that bird up there.
I'm just enjoying my view.
What's this?
Success!
There's some cars racing down here. Ooh.
It's getting smaller.
Basically, it's going away from us.
Just look to look. Is that another wall cloud?
Possibly.
Oh look, there's another funnel starting.
Where?
I thought it was a funnel coming out of that. I don't know it is.
I don't like how this breathes. Oh, lightning! Woo. It's gonna go right under us over that bend. I don't know what he's talking about.
Baseball, soccer field, down on the Locust Grove Highway.
Paul, you know the way you kept shouting, you know, Canadians in trouble? I was like, does he know? I thought you kept shouting, the Canadians in trouble. You're mad.
Going straight out there.
200.
You're going to be in that heavier stuff, rain closer than that.
What's
But
this
that
one?
heavier stuff and that thunderstorm
that's what
that's
I'm looking
moving
at.
off to the northeast.
It's really
at
rich
about
between
15
those.
miles an hour. You got some of these moving to the southeast and then one on its heels. Have another moving on thunderstorm up in Beaver County that does
You're fun.
We're laughing, you're going to be destroyed in the next couple of hours.
Near Beaver, moving east at 15 miles an hour, and they're talking about 60 miles
Paul, are
an
we
hour
here for
wind
5
gusts
minutes? I need to do some
and
techie stuff. I'm not going to
quarter-size
start it for now.
with that thunderstorm. So we do have those
Literally
severe
just try and work on it
warnings
because,
around
you know, it's getting ready to come up tornado, but yeah, if you want a quick go at it.
No, I'm going to hold off based on what you said.
Other than that, you got to go down near White Deer to get the next closest severe thunderstorm.
Well, if something
warning.
drops, we've got pretty much
Even though
perfect
a
view
little
on
bit
the
of
street.
small
It looks like it could be, doesn't it?
and down. As a matter of fact, get into some rain, not even to a
tightening.
7 mile line. And then from there, south and east, kind of between periods of the Wolf Creek Park. That area is going to have some torrential rainfall with it as well.
Oh, a massive
It is
juicy
not
steak tonight.
severe at this time, but folks, these things are just and really not going anywhere right now. kind of like the Obama administration, just really spinning their wheels and not really going anywhere. I'm sorry I couldn't help it. I always have to fall back into politics. But that's what we're seeing on some of these thunderstorms themselves.
True Republican.
The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Carson County, northwestern Gray County, southern Roberts County until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Kings Mill and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Minor wind damage to roofs, siding and trees is possible. Locations impacted include Layama, Kings Mill, Cogman. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Roberts, Texas.
60 mile an hour winds and 45 hail in that thunderstorm. Back to the and Skellytown moving off in the direction of Tampa as well. We've got another one coming. Here's another from the Weather Service. Stand by.
Beep that time, does that mean it's more important?
The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a tornado warning for northern Hemphill County, extreme southeastern Lipscomb County until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Glacier and moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated. Flying debris will be dangerous to the without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs. Windows will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Canadian, Lake Marvin, Glacier. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties.
I need this to drop now, so then I have. Oh yeah. Is that a tornado now, or is that still a wall?
Drawing up from it.
It does, doesn't it?
Oh, look, yeah. That's definitely it.
You reckon?
Go! Come on. Thank you.
There it comes.
Hmm?
There you go.
I've been sitting there for these 20 minutes. How many times have you made a move to go? It's when I opened the door and you're fucking sitting dead. What the fuck? I'm gonna break him. I'm gonna kill him. I don't want to. I like him. I really do.
Hmm? I think it is. They're shouting over there. So it must be. He said the cone. I think I heard him shout a cone. Well, he just shouted a cone, the guy over there. Jesus Christ, it's going to cross. It's crossing this way. I'm waiting.
It's still not on the ground though.
Is that one?
Not yet.
Bang on your birthday as well.
I'm just going to stay here.
See it trying to come down.
It's not down.
It's not down.
That's it. Stop there.
Jesus.
What a fucking storm. It's a shame it's getting dark. What time is it?
6 or something, is it? Probably just 7.
So it's not getting dark. It's just
No,
a
it's just
storm.
the
It's just a
storm.
dark storm.
Oh.
Where's traffic jam?
God.
That actually.
Is that a massive wedge?
No, not yet. Not yet. Unless there's something rain wrapped to the left, which there might be. Look.
Yeah, I think there is. Look.
Got it on there. No.
Oh no, it's not down though, is it? It's direct.
This could be one fucking massive wall. Oh, hang on.
It's got.
Hang on, hang on, hang on. Look, once you get past this rip, these trees, look to the left. Left front.
Yeah, there's a wall.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I just cannot believe.
the
stream.
It's working fine. 200.
Are we getting
Look to the right. Look to the right. Yeah, that should be fine.
Friends for a drink after work. It's the spot. Or how about that birthday party or wedding rehearsal? Whatever the
I don't think there's anything there though, is there?
Do you want to turn down your window? Can we turn down the radio?
Sorry. It's gone off now.
It's gone off. It has gone off.
Nothing there.
Nick can come back again. Those boats. We're gonna miss it.
We are.
No, it's going this way. So that's why it's going fast. Or it's just being.
It's only pea size at the moment, anyway.
Yeah, it's nothing.
It's so dark. Can't pick anything up on it.
Because the windows.
Do you want me to hold it here?
Where is that? No, but it's alright. I'm zooming. Forgot about the windows.
I'm just sitting in the front seat with the baby on her lap. Really?
Oh yeah.
Health and safety?
Yeah.
That's America right there.
Shit!
Oh my god.
Shit! 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 Shit!
Go.
Shit!
Jet ski.
Shit!